right? Now we are describing, when we talk about this vector, we're describing this guy right here. Da-da-da, da-da. That's the vector. It does the same thing as those. Now, of these two, this guy's our friend. Nuestro amigo. Okay? And that's because we can do math in the x direction, and we can do math in the y direction when something's flying through the air. Okay? But we can't do it at some angle, or so I can't do that. I'm not that smart. But I know how to solve a problem that's only in the x direction or only in the y direction. Okay? So that's, whenever we get one of these, we'll turn it into this. Then we'll do math. Then when we get done, we'll have an answer that looks like a x and y, right? And then we've got to turn it back into one of these, right? So that's what I'm going to show you today, is how to take one of these guys, turn it into this. And then I think next class or the class after, I'll show you all the math, which you already know. It's just suvat, right? Okay? And then when we're done, we'll turn it back into one of these, yeah? Now, when you play a video game, do you think it works the same way? Yes, what you see on your computer screen is, you know, I don't know, something, right? You have something like a bow and arrow or something like that, and it's pointing, you see it rendered on your screen as an angle and a magnitude, correct? It's pointed in a certain way, right? To be sure, that thing is being converted in some little algorithm into x and y and z, because it's three-dimensional, right? It's doing crazy math, x, y, and z, and then it has to render it back as angle magnitude. Suspenseful music, insert it there, right? It's just crazy, huh? Okay, so let's do our first skill. This first skill is going to teach you how to do this first part here, how to turn these guys here, these angle magnitude vectors, into vector components. Okay, that's our first skill, is turning these guys into things that look like this.